What if I told you? One of the most dangerous race cars in American history. Didn't look fast at all. No flashy design. No massive V8. Yet it dominated NASCAR so hard that legends were born because of it. This is the story of the Hudson Hornet. Back in the early 1950s, America was obsessed with speed. Big engines, loud exhausts, and bold styling ruled the roads. But Hudson Motor Car Company had a different idea. Instead of making the car look fast, they made it handle better than anything else on the track. And that single decision changed racing forever. The secret weapon, step-down design. The Hudson Hornet's biggest advantage wasn't horsepower. It was something called the step-down design. Instead of sitting on top of the frame, the car's body was built down inside it. This dropped the center of gravity insanely low. What did that mean? Better stability, sharper cornering, less body roll, total control on tight tracks. While other cars were fighting to stay planted, the Hornet stayed glued to the asphalt. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Hornet packed a 308 cubic inch inline-six engine. Sounds weak, right? Wrong. With twin H-power carburetors. This engine produced up to 170 horsepower. Huge numbers for the early 1950s. But more importantly, it delivered massive low-end torque. That meant faster exits out of corners, where races were actually won. NASCAR domination. Now here's where the Hornet became a legend. In 1952, Hudson Hornets won 27 out of 34 NASCAR races. Let that sink in. In 1953, they did it again, winning 22 out of 37 races. Drivers like Marshall Teague and Herb Thomas made the Hornet unstoppable. Other teams hated it. Fans loved it. Rivals feared it. The Hudson Hornet wasn't just winning. It was humiliating the competition. Why it was so hard to beat? Here's the scary part. The Hornet was slower on straights, but untouchable in corners. On short tracks, where handling mattered more than top speed, the Hornet simply walked away. Drivers could brake later, turn harder, and accelerate sooner. It wasn't about power. It was about control, decline, and end of an era. Sadly, dominance didn't last forever. By the mid-1950s, V8 engines took over NASCAR. Hudson merged with Nash, forming American Motors Corporation. The Hornet name survived, but the magic was gone. Still, its impact on racing history was already sealed. Legacy and pop culture. Today, the Hudson Hornet lives on as a legend. It inspired generations of race engineers. And yes, it even inspired Doc Hudson from Pixar's Cars. A quiet hero, a technical masterpiece, a true underdog. The Hudson Hornet proved one thing. You don't need the biggest engine to be the greatest on the track. Sometimes, smart design beats raw power. And that's why the Hudson Hornet will never be forgotten.